What's up, guys? So Costco had some new rope lights that I saw. They are the Paradise LED rope lights. What's cool about these is they're rated for indoors or outdoors. They come with a little remote. They change colors. They can even be linked together. It's Costco item number 1193818, and it's obviously really bright out here, so I figured we would open up one together, and then I'll take them inside. It's a little darker, and we'll run through all these menus on the remote together. On the back here, it shows different options you can do. You can put them on your deck. Here's the different colors. You can hang them around a reef. There's lots of little this and that you can do. Here you see it changes colors, different settings, and then the fact that you can link these guys together. All right, so let's open this up and see what's all in the box. Here's what comes in the box itself. First and foremost, you have the remote. When we go in there, I'll just start with this side here and then work my way down. Skip the off button, obviously, press these and then press these, just so you get a sense of what this guy does in the dark. So for the actual light, here's a sensor on it, protrudes so it can be reached at multiple angles. It has a little slot to hang it there. That's always good. Feels good quality too. You look here, it has this connector that unscrews, and then here on the other side, that unscrews to hook up another light, hence why I have two. The lights themselves, they feel quality. It's got this clear rubber hose around them that'll protect them from the elements and just, you know, prevent them from getting damaged by being tugged on and whatnot. So that's a good feature. You also get some mounting brackets here along with the screws, so you can mount them to a tree, to a fence post, whatever you got to do, as long as you can screw them into there. Well, let's get these guys inside and see what they can do. Check that guy out. Super Bowl 50. So once again, I'll be starting on this row of the buttons and then working my way down from the red down to this pause. I will skip this off button right over here and then work my way down the other rows. I'll put a photo of the remote so you know which one I'm pressing in real time. All right, let's get to it. There's red. All right, so that's pretty much it. The lights are pretty simple, actually. Let's do a quick recap. So on this guy here, all these up here are colors, and then these are just the different effects it can do. Let's just do a real-time one. There's your red. There's your green. There's your blue. Glacier, which is white. Got the purple, yellow, and then a lighter blue. This guy here is just a rainbow of colors, pretty much everything it can do. This guy here is the lightning effect. Just flashes whatever the last one you had. For instance, if it's red, it'll flash red. If it's yellow, it'll flash yellow. This guy here is more or less like a fader. If you look at it, it just dims, goes back, dims, goes back. Then this button here is more or less like a twinkling light. You can change the color to it. You want it white twinkling light, you do that. You want a red twinkling light, you do that. Not too bad. And then this guy here, the plus minus, speeds up and slows down the colors. Then this is more or less your traditional twinkling lights. If you look at it, it's just blinking. Then this one seems to just reverse the order. Like if it went from left to right, it'll go right to left. But all in all, that's pretty much it. All right, so we're back outside. That was a neat little demo, I thought. These guys are pretty universal. You can do quite a bit with them. They're a good little setup for sure. But that's gonna do it for this one. Let me know what you guys thought of those lights. I enjoyed them. I definitely could see multiple uses for them. Just kind of something different, you know. All right, so that's gonna do it for this one. I'm gonna wait for it to get dark so I can enjoy these lights. But until then, I'm gonna enjoy this view. All right, be sure to subscribe. Come back for lots more videos just like this. Peace.